Top 5 ways your AC is increasing your energy bills and how to fix them. 1. Dirty filters block airflow, making your AC work harder. Clean or replace filters monthly. 2. Leaky ducts waste cooled air. Seal leaks to improve efficiency and lower bills. 3. Old thermostat settings can cause overcooling. Program your thermostat for optimal use. 4. Lack of maintenance leads to inefficient performance. Schedule regular professional tune-ups. 5. Improperly-sized units consume excess energy. Consult experts to match a size to your home. Follow these tips to cut your energy bills and keep your home cool efficiently.